Okay, dear students, in the previous lectures, we learned how to solve the given equations by substitution method. Today, I am going to teach you how to solve such equations using another method, which is known as elimination method. Now, you can use any suitable method in the examination. Basically, there are 4 methods discussed in this chapter. The one method that we already discussed is the substitution method. Another graphical method we haven't discussed yet. Today we are going to discuss the elimination method. And the fourth method is commonly known as cross multiplication method. We will discuss each and every method in this chapter. But during examination, there are 99% chances that you won't be specified the method to be used. That means you are free to use the method of your choice to solve the given pair of equations. Now, as and if you are getting the choice to solve the equation by using the method of your choice, then we recommend you to use the elimination method, because the elimination method is the easiest among the 4 and the chances of making some mistake are minimum in this method. So dear friends, study this method very carefully. I highly recommend that if the method is not mentioned and if you have to solve the given pair of equations using method of your choice, you should use the elimination method so that the chances of getting the correct answers are very high. Okay, so exercise 3.4, question number 1. We need to solve the given pair of equations using elimination method as well as substitution method. Now substitution method we have already discussed, so you have to solve those equations by substitution method in homework. I will discuss the elimination method over here. So what is the first pair of equation? The first pair of equation is x plus y is equal to 5, and second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now, as the method suggests, here I will try either to eliminate x or y. To eliminate the values of x and y, their coefficients will be same. Now, in this particular question, suppose I want to eliminate x. If I want to eliminate x, then the coefficients of x in both the equations should be same, which is not the case. Here I am having x and here I am having 2x. So in order to make the coefficients of x same, I will multiply the whole equation, that is the first equation, by 2. So x will become 2x. Now here already I have 2x, so I will multiply equation number 2 with 1. Understand carefully. I am multiplying equation number 1 with 2 and I am multiplicating equation number 2 with 1. Why? Because I want coefficients of x as same. So 1 into 2 gives me 2 and 2 into 1 also gives me 2. So now when I multiply the whole equation, remember well, you have to multiply the whole equation, not only x. So x into 2 gives me 2x plus 2 into y gives me 2y is equal to 5 2s are 10. So in short, I have multiplied whole equation 1 with 2. So now my equation number 1 becomes 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Second equation I have multiplied with 1. So when you multiply any equation with 1, you get the same equation. So second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now the most important part. The coefficients of x are same, but their signs are same. Means both are plus. If I want to cut them, one of them should be minus. So I will change the sign in all the 3 terms in the second equation. So this plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, and plus becomes minus. So now 2x and minus 2x got eliminated. 2y plus 3y gave me 5y, and 10 minus 4 gave me 6. Understand once again very carefully. The first equation was multiplied by 2. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Second equation is multiplied by 1. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now I got the coefficients of x as same. But I can't cut when the sign of both is same. Because 2x plus 2x gives me 4x. I want to eliminate this term. So this plus 2x should be converted to minus 2x. Now if I am changing the sign ahead of x, I have to change the sign in whole equation. So in short, I am changing the sign in whole equation number 2. So here plus became minus, minus became plus, and plus became minus. So in short, I got value of 5y as 6. That means the value of y will be 6 upon 5. Now after getting the value of y, I can put that value of y in equation 1 or equation 2 and get the value of x. Here I put the value of y in equation number 1. What was our equation number 1? X plus y is equal to 5. But the value of y is 6 upon 5. So x plus 6 upon 5 is equal to 5. So therefore x is equal to, I will take this 6 upon 5 on the right hand side. This is 5 minus 6 upon 5. So x is equal to 5 5s are 25 minus 6 upon 5 taken the LCM over here. So the value of x came 19 upon 5. Now dear friends, after getting the value of x and y, the final answer should be written in this form. That the solution said xy is equal to, what is the value of x? 19 by 5, comma, what is the value of y? 6 upon 5. Always you have to write the value of x first and value of y as second. We got the answer. Now, while solving this sum, I eliminated x. Now someone wants to solve this sum by eliminating y. Is that possible? Yes, it's possible. You can solve this sum also by eliminating the value of y. The answer will be same. Okay, so the same question I will solve, but first I will eliminate y. So what are the equations? X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now I want to solve this sum by eliminating the value of y. So if I want to eliminate y, then the coefficients of y should be same. Here I am having y and here I am having minus 3y. So to get the coefficient same, I have to multiply equation 1 with 3. Whole equation 1 is multiplied with 3. So now x became 3x, y became 3y and 5 became 15. Already here I am having coefficient as 3. So I will multiply this equation with 1. So equation will come same, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now in the previous sum, the values of x were both positive. Now here I am having plus 3y and minus 3y. So in this case, I don't need to change any sign. In the first case, I had to change the sign. Why? Because in both the case, the sign was same, plus 2x plus 2x. Here already, at one place I am having plus 3y, on another place I am having minus 3y. So there is no necessity to change the sign. So this plus 3y and minus 3y. So in short, y part got eliminated. So 3x plus 2x, that is 5x, and 15 plus 4, that is equal to 19. So the value of x is 19 upon 5. Compare the value of x over here also. The value of x was same, 19 upon 5. After getting the value of x, I will put the value of x in either equation 1 or 2 to get the value of y. I put the value of x in equation number 1. What was equation number 1? X plus y is equal to 5. But what is value of x? 19 upon 5. So 19 upon 5 plus y is equal to 5. That gives y is equal to 5 minus 19 upon 5. So y is equal to 5. 5s are 25 minus 19 upon 5. So value of y is 6 upon 5. So in this case also, the final answer, that is solution set xy is equal to 19 by 5 and 6 by 5. So either you can eliminate x part or whether you choose to eliminate y part, your final answer will be one and the same. And you can use any of these things. You can either start with eliminating x or you can either solve the sum by eliminating y, whichever you are comfortable with. Thank you. Okay, so elimination method, question number 2. The equation is like this. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now, as I said in the previous sum also, you can either eliminate x or eliminate y. There won't be any difference in the final answer. So first, I will teach you the sum by eliminating the value of x. Now, dear friends, if I want to eliminate the value of x, here I am having 3x, here I am having 2x. So the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So if I want 6x over here, I have to multiply this equation with 2. So 3 2s are 6. And here I am having 2x. So to make it 6x, I have to multiply that equation with 3. So to get the LCM, here I am having 3x, here I am having 2x. The LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So in short, I want 6x. So equation 1 is multiplied with 2, 3x into 2 gives me 6x, and equation number 2 is multiplied by 3. So now our equations become like this. 3x became 6x, 4y became 8y, and 10 became 20y because I multiplied whole equation 1 with 2. Similarly, I multiplied the whole equation 2 with 3. So now 2x became 6x, minus 2y became minus 6y, and 2 became 6. Now I want to eliminate the value of x, but in both the case I am having 6x. So here I have to change the sign. So plus became minus, minus became plus, and plus became minus. So 6x minus 6x. The part with x got eliminated. Now 8y plus 6y gives me 14y, and 20 minus 6 gives me 14. So in short, value of 14y is 14. That means the value of y is 1. Now our question became very easy, very simple. After getting value of y as 1, I will put that value of y in either equation 1 or 2 to get the value of y. Here I have put the value of y in equation number 2. So equation 2 was 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. 2x minus 2 into, what is value of y? 1. So 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. Minus 2 comes on right hand side. It adds up. So 2x is equal to 4. That means now the value of x is 2. So the final answer is solution set x, y is 2, 1. Now dear friends, I will solve again this same sum, but now this time I will eliminate y and check whether we are getting same answer or not. So the equations are same. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now here I want to eliminate y. So coefficients of y should be same. Here I am having 4. Here I am having 2. LCM is 4. So to get LCM 4, this equation is multiplied with 1 and this equation is multiplied with 2. Now when I multiply the first equation with 1, I get the same equation. So this is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now equation number 2 is multiplied with 2. So 2x became 4x, minus 2y became minus 4y, and 2 became 4. Now again, here I am having plus 4y and minus 4y. So there is no need to change the sign. Y part got eliminated. So 3x plus 4x, 7x, 10 plus 4 is 14. So now 7x is equal to 14. That means the value of x is 2. Now I will put this value of x in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, but value of x is 2. So 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 4y is equal to 10. That gives me value of 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, that is 4. So value of y is 1. So value of x is 2, value of y is 1. That means solution set xy is equal to 2, 1. Now dear friends, be very careful. In both the sums, I have eliminated in one sum, in both sums, x as well as y. But you did not do both methods, right? You can either eliminate x or either eliminate y. No need to do the sum twice. I am teaching you twice just to prove that whether a person solves using eliminating x term or another person solves using eliminating y term, there won't be any difference in answer. Both the methods will be correct. So no need to solve the sum two times. You can either proceed by eliminating x or either by eliminating y. So one more sum, that is question number 3. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y minus 2y plus 7. So first I will change the equation in the form which can be easily calculated using elimination method. So I will take this constant term on the right hand side. So now my equation is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. In second equation, I will bring this 2y on left hand side. So the equation becomes 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now suppose I want to eliminate x. Here there is 3x, here there is 9x. LCM is 9. So to make 9x over here, I will multiply equation number 1 with 3. So 3x became 9x, minus 5y became minus 15y, and 4 became 12. In second equation there is already 9x, so I will multiply the whole equation with 1. So I will get the equation as it is. So I have 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now in both the case there was plus 9x, so I have to change the sign. So plus became minus, minus became plus, and plus became minus. The term with x, that is 9x minus 9x got eliminated. Now minus 15y plus 2y gives minus 13y, and 12 minus 7 gives me 5. So the value of y is minus 5 by 13. I will put this value of y in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. So 3x minus 5 into what is value of y? Minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. So therefore 3x minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25 upon 13 is equal to 4. So value of 3x is equal to 4. This 25 by 13 I have to take it on right hand side, so it is 4 minus 25 by 13. So 3x is equal to LCM, 13 4s are 52 minus 25 upon 13. So value of 3x is 27 upon 13, but I want to find the value of x. So when I bring this 3 on the right hand side, multiplication goes in division. So x is equal to 27 upon 3 into 13. 9 3s are 27. So value of x is 9 by 13. So the final answer solution set xy will be equal to 9 by 13, comma, minus 5 by 13. Dear students, I am sure that now you will be able to solve the sums with elimination method with ease. So there are total 4 questions. In question number 1, I have solved 3 for you. 4th you have to solve in homework. One more thing, that all those 4 sums were also to be solved by substitution method that we have already studied. So you need to solve these 4 sums by substitution method and 4 sums with elimination method. 3 are done on the board. 4th one you have to do on your own. Thank you.